What's up, everybody? This is Jesse Linares with the Sam Villa ArTeam. If you've ever wondered to yourself, what are the Artist Series shears? Why do they exist? Then this video is for you. Join me and Lydia from Pivot Point as we take a closer look. Our Artist Series shear is 6.25 inches long, featuring our signature Japanese alloy with the added element of carbon to give the blades more strength and rigidity. Notice also our forward set thumb for maximum ergonomic ability, and twin tangs here give you maximum grip options when working with the hair. You can see also the anti-friction polymer patch behind the pivot, which just ensures that there's less wear and tear on these blades over time. They work great on either wet or dry hair, and we'll just use the wide teeth of our comb to hold this perimeter in place and then introduce the Artist Series shear. Because of its high rigidity, definitely get a lot more sharpness on dry hair. Very effective, wet or dry. Our Artist Series slide cutting shear is composed of our signature Japanese alloy and is 6 inches long. Has the same forward set thumb and double tangs for maximum grip and ergonomic benefit, and the same polymer patch behind the pivot to help reduce friction and wear and tear. The big difference is in the blades themselves. Notice how they curve away as they move away from the pivot. As the blade closes, the scissor actually begins to push the hair out. And it's this not really wonderful when you're wanting to cut like a deadly straight line, but when you're working from the interior going out, slicing, slide cutting, or even point cutting, these are going to give you a much softer, more buttery feel. We have Lydia here once again. We'll just take a look and demonstrate how this works. You know, when cutting a perimeter or just trying to get that straight line, we'll see here how the scissor actually releases the hair. It does not create a very effective cut, pushing all of that out. You'll get there eventually, but it's not exactly the tool you want when you're creating a hard perimeter. Now, conversely, when working through the interior going out, this is the scissor that maybe you never thought you needed, but once you have it, you just won't be able to live without it. We're going to take a look here just through this interior, what this looks like for us. Notice as the blades close that they release the hair, which gives us a much softer feel and a much silkier feeling when we're moving through the hair. It's not as abrupt as a regular shear whose blades are actually designed to trap the hair as it closes. These curved blades are designed actually to push the hair out, to release it, to make sure that when you're working through the interior going out, that you're not going to get a ka-clunk and just a dead stop right there in the middle of the mid-strand.